Welcome back to SPARKNuniversity's Spark TV. I'm Javon, your personal success strategist, and each week I provide tools and tips to enhance your personal performance, productivity, and accountability so that way you can design a life that is meaningful and purposeful to you. Life is a journey. It is a journey filled with new opportunities and experiences. Along this journey of life, we find that there are times that the road does not exactly lead us where we thought it would go. Then there are the times when we encounter roadblocks and traffic stops that cause us to have to take a different route to reach our desired destination. Regardless of which scenario we find ourselves in, one thing is constant: change. We might have to change our path, our destination, perhaps even our mode of transportation, but we would definitely have to change our mindset. The mind is a powerful thing. It controls whether we live or die. It controls our perspectives in life, and it will ultimately determine if we fail or succeed. In order to live the life that we are truly destined to live, we must desire to evolve, plan with purpose, and develop a positive mindset. Then and only then will we be able to embrace change and all the positive opportunities that it brings. Together, let's redefine what is possible and reclaim the greatness that you are destined for. Choose today to start living your life boldly, passionately, and purposefully. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you next week.